Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're back at Westgate. Shocker, right? So this time we have a cabin, and I'll put the description of what cabin it is down at the bottom so I don't screw up the name. But this is a pretty large cabin. This is actually our first time in this cabin. We booked it mainly because of the size, because it's pretty big. But let me start off the tour with the dining room. Full-size 6-seater dining table. Good size. So we'll have our dinners, lunches, meals here. And behind me, we have a good-sized kitchen. Really, I wish I had this at home. Nice counter space. We have a dishwasher, so you can do dishes. Nice sink. This thingy. Down below we have our strainer, sponges, some paper towels, trash can. Haven't really explored the cabinet, so if something pops out, you don't know why. Have some utensils, can opener, pizza cutter, scissors, and we got some knives and a cutting board. Ooh, I like that. Down here, whoops. Hey, I got these at home. Cool. Got an oven. Now, is there cookie sheets or anything down here? We have like a broiler pan and, yep, cookie sheet down there. So if we wanted to bake cookies or appetizers or whatever, we have that. Down here is a blender. Sorry, it's hard to see. We have a coffee maker and their Westgate coffee. And this one, pots and pans. You got a giant stock pot, frying pan, a couple small saucepans. On this side, cheese poofs. Those are ours. Measuring cup, mixing bowl, and a colander. Up here we have a toaster, so you can store whatever you need up here. Microwave. Boop. And moving over here, they provide you with wine glasses, juice glasses, small glasses, coffee mugs, dinner plates, salad plates, and bowls. This is all our stuff. Up here, it's just basically storage. Oh, but first, forgot. In here, if you guys want to do laundry, you're more than welcome to. And they also had an iron up there. Refrigerator. Good size refrigerator. We do eat, not just drink. Got a couple of ribeyes in there. Can't wait to cook those up. Freezer. Nice and cold. It's like 100 degrees out right now. So we're going to pan back this way. Dining room. Big island. And then we'll work our way into the living room. I keep wanting to think that there's a step here, but there's no step. It's all flat. You have some bar stools over here. Surprised they only give you 2, because this room does fit 4 people. This pulls out into a bed. Not going to do that right now. Big end tables. Huh. Anything in here? Nope. And I believe they just renovated these not too long ago. They have a TV. Make sure I get the fireplace in there. We have a view of the street area. And sorry, I'm all over the place. I forgot to show you, which you're not going to really be able to see now, but maybe later. This is where the buffalo, bison, whatever you want to call them, come to. And I think we're in something similar to this. We don't have the outside porch area, unfortunately, but whatever. This room's great. Love it so far. But yeah, we booked for the bison view, which you could see it from a little bit of a distance, but whatever. So we're going to head into the bathroom first. Got double sinks, and this is where you're going to have your towels and other stuff. That's me. Hey. And then we got a big shower in here. Wow. very deep and very tall. So if you're probably, I don't know, if you're 8 feet, you'll comfortably be able to take a shower in here. So no worries there. My office. In case you need to see what a toilet looks like. And a picture that you cannot see unless you're standing up in front of it. Moving on, we have the master bedroom. Beautiful king-size bed. 2 end tables, which I do not see any plugs or USB plugs. And there is a ton of USB plugs in the kitchen. If I remember, I'll show you that in a minute. But we do have a king-size bed and a jacuzzi tub. There's some outlets down there. Jacuzzi tub, so I don't think we're going to use it, but it is here. This is just the entrance to go outside patio, and that's just the window to look out. Whole, am I closing here? Yep, okay. Wardrobe. We got some drawers here, TV, Beavis and Butthead. Now that's Bibbit and Big Head. They're our little travel companions. So we're coming back out here, and you see our little patio. There's a table out here as well. I can't wait to spend the next few days here. Glad you guys are joining us. So we're gonna make our way back in the kitchen real quick and I'll show you, oh, is there USB plugs? Yes. So this is the phone connection, so you could easily just probably take that out and put your USB in there. Regular plugs here and over there in the stove. So here's our barbecue setup. You notice there's 4 picnic tables. Inside this is cabin 9 and 10, which is separated into 9A, 9B, 10A, 10B. So this whole section is 4 different cabins, which all share the one grill. And the bison have moved all the way out there. They can come right up to this fence line, so that's pretty cool. And fun fact, if you guys ever watched the Tim Tracker, they came to Westgate. They actually stayed in the exact same room we were in. I was watching theirs last night. I'm like, number sounds familiar, 9A. It's the exact same one they stayed in. So if you guys watch them, it's kind of where we got the idea to come here in the first place. So shout out to them. Thanks for that recommendation. It's pretty cool. We're in our cabin. Almost forgot I didn't show you the outside patio area. That's the door to the bedroom. And these are table and chairs. And brand new rockers. We were sitting down eating dinner at the table and we were looking and we saw staff taking out the chairs and bringing in 2 brand new rocking chairs. My wife earlier was like, you know what, I want to sit outside tonight and just relax. We love rocking chairs. So that's so cool. But yeah, this is our room for the next few nights. It's Friday now. We're here until Monday, Labor Day weekend. And as always, if you're new here, welcome. Feel free to subscribe. If you've been here and you're returning, welcome back. Glad to see you. So I hope you enjoyed this brief tour of our, I'll drop it below what the name is. It's a cabin. So I'll put the correct name in there because I hate going on videos and seeing this whole great room, then trying to find it on the website and I do not know what it is. So I'm like looking at floor plans. So I'll put that information down at the bottom of the screen so you guys can check that out. And you could also check out all of our other videos from Westgate River Ranch. We've been here probably almost 24 times. Know pretty much every square inch of this place. Have stayed in or visited just about every single accommodation you can think of. And this is a new one for us. And honestly, I really, really, really like this one the best. And I can't wait to have our experience here. There is barbecues out back, so I'll try to get out there at some point and show you guys that. So until next time, bye.